a glorious climax to the day's racing at Caymanas Park on Saturday in one of the most epic home stretch runs at the horse racing Mecca. The 17-1 outsider Fun Can Done under the expert handling of top flight rider Robert Hardball Halliday ensured that the $250,000 US dollars or 39 million Jamaican dollars stayed right here in Jamaica. The entire Caymanas Park went up in raptures as Halliday drove home the 3-year-old American Bay colt and stood tall in the saddle and pointed mockingly to the beaten favorite Legacy Isle as the celebrations erupted in honor of the great work of champion trainer-elect Jason DaCosta and the astute brilliance of champion owner-elect Carlton Watson, giving the local racing fraternity the boost it needed by capturing the 2024 Mute Mile, ensuring that for days and weeks and months to come, the fun can done! The fun can done! So, Jackie, the fun